Hey everybody, thanks for checking out this video. If you like the content I'm putting out, please like, comment, and subscribe. And hope you like this video. Hey everybody, I saw an advertisement for Shock Concepts and they were advertising their pistol pouches, but the belt he's holding up looks like it has the big freaking pouch on it. So I wanted to see how it would work, because the big freaking pouch has this different type of MOLLE attachment on the back, and it works. I've done it on the plate carrier and it works really good for doing that. The bag side is easy because it has 4 straps. I want to see how the Mandible, the Haley Strategic Mandible system, will attach it to here. The reason why I'm not using the MOLLE is because the Haley Strategic D3 belt has 1/2 inch and there's only just this little teeny tiny bit. I guess it would be under 4 rows with this, but it wouldn't be tied into the stiffener on the belt. And if I'm going to put 7 AR mags or whatever else I put in here, something that has weight, I kind of want it to be tied in. So I guess the question is, are these Mandible straps better than relying on the webbing? I don't know. I'm going to put this on here and see what happens. So I've already staged these. So what I did was I took the MOLLE straps from the pouch, I fed them down, and I Velcroed them in on the bottom. So they're tucked away, out of the way. And then I fed vertical Mandible straps, 4 of them, through here. Now this is a little bit fiddly because they keep wanting to stick to each other, but I got them in here and I'm going to, yeah, see, these ones are stuck together. I'm going to try to keep them as far apart as I can get them, and I'm going to attach them here, and I'm going to put it right behind my knife with a little bit of room. I don't think I want to smush it up super tight to the knife because I still want to be able to like grab it. The knife does move around, but if I just push it up towards here and there's a little bit of a gap, I should be able to get my hand on it. So let's see if I can get a good angle and show you this. Yeah, we'll do it like that. So I'm going to give myself a little bit of space, 1.5 inches, 2 inches, whatever that is. All right. So you've seen how these work on my other videos. So I will fold down. Now remember, you want the nice soft fuzzy side facing you and the hook side facing the pouch. So that way, whoops, when you fold it down like this, the hook side. Now what I'm doing here is making sure that they're not overlapping each other. I want as little, I don't want any overlap because I'm already adding a layer of Velcro here. Now, it's not taking up any Velcro real estate because these straps are Velcro also. So there will still be hook on the inside here. So now, let's see here, I gotta thread this little tab through here. Now remember, don't pull away because you'll break this little loop. You want to pull up. But this configuration looked kind of interesting from the picture, and so I want to try it out. I need my little tool. Hold on a second. All right. So I'm just standing this up, the little tab, and working this bigger piece of the flap down. And then I put that in so it's nice and velcroed in like that. And then just going to rinse and repeat. So what I did here is I pushed my little baby needle nose pliers through the hole, and then I feed this into the mouth of the pliers so I can get a good bite on it and pull it through. You want it nice and tight so there's no slop when it's on the belt and you're running around. I don't want it to be bouncing around because there's a big loop. All right, so now it's on there. It does have a little bit of slop. The reason why is because this is a 2-inch piece of Velcro, and the way the back of the big freaking pouch is only a 1-inch piece of webbing. If I tried to go further, the Velcro wouldn't work. So, I don't know. I don't know if I'm thrilled with that. But if I'm just kind of using this as a dump pouch, I don't know that it matters. Anyway, that's how you attach that using the Mandible strap system. If I end up really not liking this slop, I might try using just the regular MOLLE, even though there's not tons of attachment here, and see if that holds it any better. Anyway, hope you like this video. So here it is installed. I don't know. I don't know how thrilled I am with it being this far back. There's probably room here for it, but then again, I don't like it right on top of the holster. I don't know. I think the Mandible straps did a decent job with the pals that they had. I may try putting it on with the MOLLE and seeing how I like that.